Hello everybody, welcome back to IELTS 02 Hero series, and today we are going to dive deep into IELTS speaking module. Let's quickly get started and see what I have got in store for you today. So we are going to be talking about IELTS speaking part 2, which we call as the cue card round. Let me change the color. All right, so we are going to talk about IELTS speaking part 2, that means the cue card part, and we are going to understand how to deal with this part using storytelling techniques. We are going to learn some cool storytelling techniques using which we'll be able to expand our answer, give a decent length to our answer, and make it vivid and colorful. Let's dive deep into it straight away. So पहले तो ओवरव्यू समझ लेते हैं स्पीकिंग पार्ट 2 क्यू कार्ड होता क्या है फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु प्रोबेबली डू नॉट नो मच अबाउट इट. सो ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जाम व्हाट हैपेंस पार्ट 2 में क्या होता है, लेट्स बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट पार्ट 2. On the day of exam, in speaking part 2, only in speaking part 2, you will be given the prompt in written. सिर्फ क्यू कार्ड में पार्ट 2 में आपको क्वेश्चन रिटन में दिया जाता है. पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 3 there they will give you, they will throw questions verbally at you. Here it's going to be written. Apart from that written question that they have handed to you, they are going to give you 1 minute to think about your ideas. Now in this 1 minute, they'll also give you some pen and paper so that you can jot down some ideas. Jot down means you can write down some ideas in this 1 minute. प्लीज इस 1 मिनट में पूरे पूरे सेंटेंसेस मत लिखना. प्लीज इस 1 मिनट में वोकैबुलरी के ऊपर फोकस ना करके आइडिया जनरेशन के ऊपर फोकस करना. राइट? व्हाई एग्जैक्टली दैट? ऐसा क्यों होता है? व्हाई डू दे गिव यू 1 मिनट so that you can think about your ideas? Because here you are supposed to speak for 2 long minutes. The length of your answer needs to be 2 long minutes. आपको 2 मिनट तक बोलना है एक प्रॉम्प्ट पे, जिसके लिए आपको 1 मिनट दिया जाता है, so that you can think of your ideas. Probably अगर हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो थोड़ा सा इंटिमिडेटिंग लगेगा, थोड़ा सा स्केरी लगेगा. हम सोचेंगे how exactly I am going to speak for 2 long minutes on one single prompt, but honestly इतना मुश्किल है नहीं. So let's take a look कि आपका cue card prompt दिखता कैसे है. Let's take a sample question over here. So this is how your cue card prompt would look like. It will have a main prompt. Now the main prompt over here says, talk about an important conversation you had with someone. And then after that main prompt, you will be given 3 to 4 bullet points. Whom you had this conversation with, when did you have the conversation, what was it about, and why do you think it was important? Now of course these bullet points need to be covered. ऑब्वियसली आप बुलेट पॉइंट्स को कवर करोगे तो आप एक डिसेंट लेंथ लेके आ पाओगे अपने आंसर में. राइट? लेकिन करना क्या नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू डू नॉट हैव टू डू इज नेवर कवर देम इन वन लाइनर्स. डू नॉट कवर दीज बुलेट पॉइंट्स इन वन लाइनर्स. डू नॉट कवर दीज बुलेट पॉइंट्स इन वन लाइनर्स. तो अब आप बोलोगे फिर क्या करें भाई, इफ राइट अब आप ऐसा ही कुछ बोलोगे ना कि फिर क्या करें, वन लाइनर में कवर नहीं करें तो इन बुलेट पॉइंट के ऊपर मैं और क्या बोल सकता हूँ. लाइक होम यू हैड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन विद, आप बोलोगे इफ आई हैड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन विद माई फादर, इसके ऊपर मैं और क्या बोलूँ. राइट? सो लेट मी गिव यू सम स्टोरी टेलिंग टेक्निक्स. आई रियली होप आई विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू. यूजिंग दीज टेक्निक्स यू विल बी एबल टू हेल्प योर सेल्फ एंड एक्सपैंड योर आंसर्स ब्यूटिफुली. ठीक है? पर हाँ ये मत करना, इन बुलेट पॉइंट्स को अगर आपने वन लाइनर में कवर कर दिया तो 2 मिनट्स की लेंथ नहीं आएगी हमारे आंसर की. ठीक है? सो प्रैक्टिस दी स्टोरी टेलिंग टेक्निक्स. देखते हैं माई टेक्निक नंबर 1. एंड द वेरी फर्स्ट टेक्निक इज स्टार्ट विद जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन. नाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दिस? ये क्या है? देखो होता क्या है ना, इन क्यू कार्ड what exactly students do is, if I give this topic to a student of mine, usually most students, what do? Is they will straight away jump to the first bullet point. They will say, well, I had this conversation with my father a couple of months back and we were talking about blah blah blah. That's it, covered. I had this conversation with my father a few months back, covered, and we were talking about. So 2 lines खत्म हुई नहीं, आप already third bullet point पे पहुंच चुके हो और अभी आपके हार्डली 15 सेकेंड्स भी ओवर नहीं हुए हैं और आपको 2 मिनट्स की लेंथ लेके आनी है. तो ये चीज तो काम नहीं करने वाली, wherein you straight away jump to first bullet point, you cover it in one liner, you go to second bullet point, you cover it in another one liner, and then you move to the third bullet point. इस तरह से तो आपकी 2 मिनट की लेंथ नहीं आने वाली है, तो फिर क्या करें? What do I mean with when I say that start with general information? देखो, if somebody asks me this question that talk about an important conversation you had with someone, so rather than jumping to the first bullet point, मैं क्या बोलूंगी? मैं कुछ इस तरह की general information से हमेशा अपना क्यू कार्ड आंसर स्टार्ट करती हूँ, always, right? So what I would say, well, I am a working professional who usually works from home. I seldom go out, and that is why I really don't get much time to indulge in deep, meaningful conversations with people because I don't meet a lot of people. Having said that, it so happened a couple of months back that I was sitting in blah blah blah. Anyway, आगे की बात अभी हम करेंगे कि आगे क्या हुआ. बट अभी आपने देखा मैंने कैसे जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करी. मैं अभी तक इस पे आई भी नहीं हूँ कि whom I had this conversation with, लेकिन मैंने इसके ऊपर जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन दे दी. क्या जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन दी? That I am somebody who works from home and therefore I don't get much time to go out and meet new people and have deep meaningful conversations with them. So that is how I was able to add a little bit of general information that adds some length to my answer. एक बारी ये हो गया, आपने जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड कर दी. द सेकेंड स्टेप फॉर यू इज नाउ दिस इज समथिंग एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटिफुल. अगर आपने इसको समझ लिया तो यू नीड टू नाउ पेंट अ पिक्चर. पेंट अ पिक्चर मीन्स पूरा बैकग्राउंड बता दो. अब हाउ एग्जैक्टली मैं कैसे बोलूंगी, राइट? सो फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन से. So I'm somebody who works from home and I have a very tight schedule, because of which I don't meet a lot of people, and that is why I don't get a chance to have conversation with different kind of people. Having said that, it happened a few months back that I was sitting in my balcony thinking about how my day passed. It was a beautiful evening and it was raining that day, and I was just observing the rain droplets when suddenly my father came. He was holding 2 mugs of coffee and he handed a mug to me and sat down. He was also looking at the rain droplets wistfully when suddenly he said, अब मैं आ रही हूँ थर्ड बुलेट पॉइंट के ऊपर. यहां तक मैंने क्या करा? यहां तक मैंने दे दी जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन. उसके बाद आई पेंटेड अ पिक्चर. पेंटेड अ पिक्चर मीन्स I talked about the entire background, that I was sitting in my balcony, it was raining that day and it was a beautiful evening and I was observing the rain droplets. Suddenly my father came holding 2 mugs of coffee in his hands and handed a mug to me. And he also started observing the rain droplets quite wistfully. So when I am adding this background to the scene, that means I am painting a picture. You can now visualize. You are now able to imagine कि मैं कहाँ बैठी थी, right? उस दिन मौसम कैसा था? It was raining. You are now able to visualize. You also know that it was evening. It was not afternoon. अब मान लो आपने ये conversation करी ऑफिस में, तब आप क्या बोलोगे? Well, I was in my office that day and it was my lunch break. I was eating my food alone because a couple of my friends were on leave, and suddenly my boss came and he opened his lunch box. He sat with me and I was taken aback because we don't usually eat together. अब यहाँ पे भी I am painting a picture. यहाँ पे भी I gave you a background, office का background, that I was eating alone. My friends were absent and suddenly my boss came and he sat on the same table where I was sitting. So I am again drawing that picture for you. Now you are again able to visualize it in your head कि क्या चल रहा था. That is how. So give background. आप अपने location के बारे में सोचो और give background about that location. ठीक है? That is your step number 2. Step number 3 now is add dialogue. So when you add dialogue, एक तो आप अपनी grammatical range show करते हो examiner को, and it also of course give a length to your answer. Right? Now I was here. Let's see how I will now continue with the dialogue. I was talking about this balcony scene that my father came and he was holding 2 mugs of coffee and he gave a mug to me and sat down and started observing the rain droplets wistfully. We sat quietly for a few moments when he suddenly said that, Vandana, you should start thinking about your retirement. And I was absolutely taken aback. And I said, Dad, what are you saying? Why should I think about my retirement? I'm still young. I'm doing good. I don't think I need to think about my retirement. I want to make it big in life and I want to go miles before I sleep. He said, no, that's not what I mean. I want you to enhance your career prospects even more. I want you to work more and more. I want you to do hard work, smart work, everything that is there. But at the same time, I want you to think about investments. So he is somebody who has been in finances all his life, and he was nudging me to start investing so that I can have a relaxed and peaceful retirement life without worrying about finances. But you know what I told him? I said, well, I don't think I'm ready for savings and investments because at present I just want to travel, explore the world, and enjoy my life. I mean, I can start saving 5, 7 years down the line. Why? What is the need to suddenly start it right away? He said, no, you are making an error over here. Then he started talking about compounding, that how your money accumulates and then you get interest, and how your money grows, how your money earns for you. You don't earn, your money earns for you. Anyway, this whole conversation was a huge bulb on moment for me, because before that moment, I literally had not thought about investments. I mean, he was at that point of time talking about property, mutual funds, stock, and I was like totally flabbergasted. I didn't realize that I was missing all this in my life. I hadn't thought about it. And that was why, last bullet point, why do you think it was important? It was extremely important for me because at that point of time, I decided that I am going to educate myself financially. I am going to learn that how my money earns for itself. Rather than me earning money, I am going to learn how my money can make more money. And that was the day I decided that I am going to enroll in some course, and then so that I can gain some insights on financial education. So I believe मैंने 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा ही बोला है इसके ऊपर, right? And I believe if you also follow these 3 steps, स्टेप नंबर 1 थोड़ी सी जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड कर दो, स्टेप नंबर 2 थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड बता दो, ऑफिस में थे, घर पे थे, घर में थे तो बालकनी में कहाँ थे, ऑफिस में थे तो कैंटीन में थे, या कैंटीन में थे या बालकनी में थे या लिफ्ट में थे, थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड दे दो, राइट? एंड उसके बाद add little bit of dialogue. Now here the dialogue was between my father and me. He said that you should think about your retirement, and I was taken aback. Taken aback means हैरान हो गई. I was surprised. I was taken aback that what was he talking about? Why should I think about my retirement? I'm still young. I need to go miles before I sleep. Go miles before I sleep is an idiom here that I'm using. That means अभी तो बहुत काम करना है, right? That is how we use this idiom. So yes, if you use these 3 steps, you will be able to nail your cue card like anything. But yes, of course, practice लगेगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने सोचा ये 3 steps के साथ मैं पहले ही cue card में बहुत solid improvement ले आऊँगा. हो सकता है वो improvement आए, और हो सकता है वो improvement 5 different questions को practice करने के बाद 6th question में आए. But just don't give up. I don't want you to give up. I want you to keep practicing. Anyway, before I wrap up today's session, मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ what kind of questions are not asked. किस तरह के questions आपको practice नहीं करने चाहिए. आपको उस तरह के questions practice नहीं करने चाहिए जो थोड़े triggering type के होते हैं. Triggering as in जो आपके traumatic moments बाहर ले आते हैं. Let me give you an example. So look at this question. Talk about a time when you were cheated by someone. And the bullet points are, when did it happen? Who was the person? How did the person cheat you? What was your biggest learning from it? इस तरह के negative triggering prompts कभी नहीं आएंगे IELTS के speaking test में. अगर आपको कहीं भी मिलते हैं ऐसे prompts, so just don't prepare them because वो नहीं आने वाले हैं. Right? And if you want these PPTs that we are creating for you in this IELTS Zero to Hero series, along with the daily practice paper PDFs that we are creating for your practice without paying a single penny, कुछ भी pay करे बिना free में अगर आपको चाहिए, then please enroll in our IELTS Zero to Hero batch. कैसे enroll कर सकते हैं? Just download the PW app and enroll in that batch. आपको एक penny भी pay नहीं करनी है, and you will get all these PPTs with my annotated notes and the daily practice paper PDFs that I am preparing for your practice without paying a single penny. Why are we doing all this? So that you can get your required score. And that's about it. I believe I was able to help you here. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye, everybody. Take care.